Good day, this is Mike Olden. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email at lee-smith.com. I want to take you on a walk around to 2017 ProStar 73-inch sleepers featuring the Cummins ISX 14.9 liter, 450 horsepower with 1,800 foot-pounds of torque. This is a ProStar. It is a double bunk sleeper, and it also features the automated transmission. Take a look at front to back. We have the 295/75R 22.5 inch low profile R284 Eco Plus Bridgestone fronts. Our front cab is in good condition, a little bit of spotted effect around the outside, but nothing that takes away from the visual beauty. We do have convex mirrors on the driver's side and passenger side. Grille is in good condition. Moving around to the passenger side, we're seeing, again, nothing that stands out as an error point for staying away from this truck. On the passenger side, again, of course, the Bridgestone tires, 295/75R, 22.5 inch. Looking at the side skirting, the upper side, nothing is getting inside or in the way of it being a fantastic truck to take back out on the road. Features the no idle heat option, and on the rear we have the storage for the batteries up underneath to drive that power for that no idle system. As you can tell on the rear, these are the super singles. As you know, they do get you better fuel efficiency. You're working with 4 tires instead of 8. They are 445/50 or 22.5 inch tires. These are Michelin's and Bridgestone mixed. Our fifth wheel is an air slide fifth wheel. Bright finish aluminum in good condition. Taking a look at the back. Very nice, clean condition on the brakes and the brake wear down below. Coming over to the driver's side, sponsoring Bridgestones and Michelin. So we have Michelin fronts, Bridgestone rears for these super singles. Driver's side also features a step access to get to your glad hands for making your connection when needed. Work lights on the back. Interior is in great condition. This is the back cycler air ride driver's seat. 3 baffles on the bottom, 2 baffles on the side, vertical baffling as well. VIN number check. Ends in HN694294. This is a ProStar 122 with the 6x4 arrangement. GVWR, 53,200 pounds. In the interior of the Bendix Wingman, our odometer is showing 429,973 miles. It is a really good traditional gauge package. The automated transmission selector. Above that we have our air conditioning, our switches for our power divider lockout, our hill start, our dump suspension, fifth wheel slide, other differential lock, park regeneration. Above that our hands-free Bluetooth radio with USB power point. Coming on to some upper switches. I'm going to feature on the heated mirrors, temperature controls and fan controls for your sleeper, your engine brake control, fog lamps on the front, and of course enable for the off-road. Your lane departure on-off switch. Here again, after 5 minutes it will come back and reactivate, and you do have the auto start stop for your rear system. Again, we talked about the no idle system. Cup holders. You have an extra large big gulp holder, traditional size pocket for your wallet, 12-volt power point, 12-volt power point. So we have a total of 2 12-volt power points and 1 USB connected through the radio. Our tilt wheel features the cruise control, air horn, radio controls, and marker interrupts. For headlights, our power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Passenger seat is a 2-position passenger seat, a good lumbar support, and the vertical power. Refrigerator, pulled out, work desk, drawer, top area for your TV with your antenna and 12-volt connections. Storage above here, flip up storage on the passenger side, flip up storage on the driver's side. Curtains which come and fasten around for you to have some nice dark light when you do close the separating curtain. Upper berth, lower berth, controls for the radio, temperature, as well as your heat and no idle controls. Driver's side features the step to get into the upper berth in addition to an area for additional product. Taking a look from the back, again we're standing up in the rear, good 6'4" plus clearance, wrap around with mesh on both driver's and passenger side overhead storage. Very good, well-kept truck. Very good truck to get up and on the road again. So I've got this particular truck priced very well. There's also available to you the No Worry extended warranty, which can be put on this truck for 1 year. It does not have a limit on the miles. That would run $5,500. There's a full accompaniment of the engine, after treatment, towing, and the rest of the components down the line, including the transmission. Let's talk about that. Again, this is Mike Olden. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. You're going to make it a great day.